There's a reef?
That's right. So when a wave breaks here, don't be there, or you're gonna get drilled.
Looking counterfeit. I get done with one, then move right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Just traveling the world.
Will I see you again?
Trying different drugs and girls. Yeah.
We are always running.
The wave breaks here, don't be there, or you're gonna get drilled.